All right, guys, we got some swim baits in here. I'm not sure what brand or kind these are. We've got them base coated, and we're fixing to apply the flash. Now, I've got this in a different bottle. This is Hot Rod Sparkle White. You're gonna need some 4011, kind of to make it a transfer. This stuff's pretty thick, and you can see I put a little bit on it to make sure this is what I wanted. And it provides a ton of little flash. I'm going to go ahead and hit both of these at the same time. So now what we're going to do here is I've got two different sizes of this stuff, my Anarchy models, and this is going to lay down some very light scale on these particular baits. And I'm going to do it a little Quicksilver Chrome, and we're going to see how that looks. I just want to be able to kind of slightly see the back sides of these scales. We better get them. We'll do the little one first. Get that all in frame for you. Let's see. Looks pretty good. I might have went a little heavy and actually come out just about how I want it, but I'm going to try to not get as much on the belly region. You got to make sure you got the scales going in the right direction and lay down some of this chrome. Okay, looks good. Let's give the big one a shot. Now this is obviously not big enough for this, so I'm going to do it in 2 passes. And I really don't need much of the head region, so let's skip the head. I'm still going to have to do it 2 passes. Good. Like it. All right, that gets us a little detail put behind this pretty smooth bait. If you guys can see that real well, I'll try to put this a little scale pattern on it in the background there. Really like this one. I left the belly region pretty much untouched. Next up, customer sent me this, so this is kind of what he's wanting. All we're needing is just a little bit of an area so that we can kind of paint the gill, or where we can see the gill plate in the head. That way it's going to give us a reference where we line everything up in our other colors. So we're going to get out just a little bit more of our Quicksilver Chrome. This stuff's hard to spray with detail, especially at damn 30 pounds of pressure. We're going to back that way off to 10 or 15. We're just going to create a little bit of definition there for the head. We'll kill out a lot of the scale that I got in here. Okay. So next colors up is we're going to lay down our blue, and then our, tell you what, when they go in reverse, I'm going to lay down our tequila yellow. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to use this, because I'm not looking for a lot of great detail on the upper portion. I'm just looking for us getting a fairly good line at the bottom. And we'll cover the top. Yeah, like that. You can see, I don't know if you can on camera, how that chrome underneath still reveals those scales. Looks really good. I like it. Let's tighten this edge up here a little bit. Don't need it super straight. Done. All right. I think that's going to look pretty good. Then we're going to throw a black over it. And then we'll work on our head. We're going to put that just in front of that hook hanger. I don't know. I hope I'm getting all this. Head and the eye. It's all black. And then the last color we're going to add is a little, I think we're going to try this grabber orange, which is another candy. that's going to lay on top of that chrome. And we're just going to color that in that gill area. Scales look good. That's our pick. That's kind of what we went with. I think it looks pretty good. It might could be a tad bit bluer. Let me just add just a little bit of this metallic blue. And you guys, yeah, metallic blue looks good. All right. So we've knocked down one, I don't know, the A37. I don't know. Guy didn't leave me any names of anything, but that's what we're going to do. We'll put our eyes back in. Looks like we had some gold eyes, and Shad swim bait, glide bait, match number 1 is in the books. Thanks, guys. Let me know what you think of this particular pattern, and see you next week.